Hey guys, it's Consumer Compute here, and let's talk about the Pixel Fold 10, which is coming out pretty soon. This is the Pixel Fold 9. Definitely a decent phone. Option-wise, before what we got with the Z Fold 7, this here was probably, much thinner than the Z Fold 6, and I actually, much preferred using this phone here. It felt more like a regular size type of phone. That note, still very decent phone to be used. It has suffered a fall. There's just a little black film thing that's got little scratches, but not the display itself. Again though, very decent phone. Probably one of my favorite phones of 2025 up until the Z Fold 7, which the Z Fold 7 is much thinner. And, as we're talking, as the the Pixel 10 Pro Fold will be coming out, it seems like it's the same exact phone size, as well as different specs inside there. I'm assuming we're gonna have a updated Tensor chip as well as that. Excited to see what Google's gonna bring out. This is where we're gonna go into probably, talking about the predecessor, the first Google Fold phone. I think personally they kind of did themselves an injustice letting this size go. Imagine this phone here a little thinner this way, and just with some updated hardware. I think personally they would have a folding phone in their own category, and I mean they could even call this the Google Passport. Still gonna have about another 3 or 4 years of updating, and if you go on Amazon now, you can get this phone for like $750 brand new, 512 gigabytes of storage. This is a really fancy foldable phone. It's got the stainless steel. It is heavier than the Z Fold 7 as we're going with that, but I think, I wish Google would pop in a updated version of this year. Then there'd be another type of form factor besides having the, I'm gonna call it the OnePlus Open style phone, which is this, compared to this. We're really looking at this, right? We got the Motorola Z Flip, we got the Samsung Flip 7, as well as the Motorola Razr Ultra, which both of these phones have other categories where they have lower budgeted folding or flippable phones. Wouldn't this be cool if Google would leave the book type foldable, or we could call it the Passport? I think Google's really done themselves a disservice. I think they should bring this form factor back. It's much smaller. It's, it's kind of like in between this size and this size, and there are definitely benefits towards a phone like this, as well as just another option that people could have. Still complain that Microsoft didn't make an updated version of the Surface Duo. This could be definitely their upgrade. It's just kind of like a conversation. It's a talk. I really wish that Google would kind of give me an updated version of this phone. But on that, we're really talking about Pixel Pro Fold 10, which should be coming out in about a week or so. It's gonna be, I guess what rumors are saying, it's the same exact phone, just updated processors, maybe an updated camera. What do you guys think? Are you going to purchase a Google Fold 10? Especially when Samsung just introduced this, even though it's a very expensive folding phone, $2,000, but it is, to me, at least in the US, the most thinnest folding phone. All right, guys, it's Consumer Compute. I'm just gonna let you know, If you haven't already and you still at this video, please give me a thumbs up. Help me out. Consider subscribing to my channel. On that note, guys, this is Consumer Compute, and I'll see you in my next video.